Now, neural networks provide some exciting results. However, they do come with some challenges. So, on the pro side, they really enable you to represent this nonlinear complex features, and they've been having impressive results, not just in computer vision, but in some other areas like speech recognition. So systems like Siri on the phone and others use deep neural networks behind the scene, as well as some text analysis tasks. And there's potential for much more impact in a wide range of areas. Now, they do come with some challenges. And to understand those challenges, we need to talk about the workflow of training a neural network. So you need to start with lots and lots and lots of data. And that data has to be labeled. Every image has to have, what dog was in the image? Is it a Labrador? Is it a poodle? Is it, golden retriever, Chihuahua, and so on. And that requires a lot of human annotation. That can be hard. But we start with lots of images. We feed it, we split them into train and test or validation sets, as we discussed. And we learn a deep neural network, and that can take quite a while. But once we validate, we realize that that complex 8-layer structure with 60 million parameters wasn't exactly what we needed, and we need to revise it, or we need to adjust parameters or change how we learn it, and we have to iterate again and again and again. And in fact, to get that winning neural network, the AlexNet one, they really needed to connect various layers with different representations and lots of complexity in the learning algorithm. So that was hard. So although there's some great pros, neural networks, deep neural networks come with some cons too. They require lots of data to get great performance. They're computationally expensive. Even with GPUs, they can be computationally expensive. And they're extremely hard to tune. So you have a lot of choices in what layers you use, how many layers, what parameters you use, and that can be really hard. So if you combine the computational choices and costs with so many things to tune, you end up with an incredibly hard process for figuring out what neural network to use.